Little Empline. Alright, let's we already started the machine up. Let's go ahead and start with an Nmap scan. And we'll hit it up. Let's copy that. Let me get some light in here too. Doesn't need to be so dark. Oh, it's weird. I don't live in my mom's basement. Alright, let's go ahead and fire up this guy right here. Let's see what we got here. Exit, exit, exit attack Y. Exit, clear, cd backs, make directory, Empline. cd into there. And we'll go ahead and we'll start with an Nmap scan on that guy right there. If I could do it. There we go. Got port 80223306 pointing out toward us. Okay. Let's go to Nmap TAC P80. And also let's look at that 3306, see if it's vulnerable or anything. Title came back as Empline. Might have to change our Etsy host there. We got MySQL 5.5.5. It has no idea what that was. 5.4 through 10.14 Marine database. Okay. So let's go ahead and try to get to that site like real quick and see if we need to change our Etsy host or anything like that. Doesn't look like it. About. Read more. Okay. Doesn't go anywhere. James and George. Looks like the same person. I feel like that's a lie. Employment. Contact us. We got a Twitter link that doesn't go anywhere. LinkedIn doesn't go anywhere. I don't know what the hell that is. Doesn't go anywhere. And I don't know what that basketball doesn't go anywhere. Okay. Other people probably know what that is. I have no idea. Let's go ahead and look at what's going on this page. Kind of want to see what's going on with that employees button also. Okay. Ooh, scroll section job.empline.thm/careers. We have this. Okay, let's go ahead and throw that into our do a sudo nano Etsy host, and we'll do empline.thm and then job.empline.thm. So we got empline.thm and job.empline.thm. I want to look at what's going on with that guy. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with this thing. Available openings at empline.thm. Open cat career page. Visit our site, return to main, show all jobs, mobile dev. Okay, salary range of 2,400, but is that euros, right? Is that like every 2 weeks or a week, or what is that? Because you are not going to be making much money, $2,400 a year. Okay, we got XML here. Let's fire up burp suite real quick. I don't think we can do this with this page, but we're going to try it. Now, I've got to actually see this on a try hack me. Whoops. Desktop, try hack me. Oh god. Save item. Desktop. Where the heck is try-hack-me at? There it is. Try-hack-me Empline. We'll call this RSS.txt. Try that like real quick. I've yet to see that try-hack-me, but we'll try it. See what happens. Let's go ahead and look at, oh, where did they go? Jobs.empline.thm. Is that what it was? Or is it job.empline.thm? Job.empline.thm. Yeah, take me to there. Oh, okay. Now we're login page. Version CodeCat and OpenCats. Let's go ahead and look at OpenCats like real quick. Let's go ahead and search exploit OpenCats. We have remote code execution. We also have XML and the. Okay, so we were kind of on the right path with what we were doing up there. Let's go ahead and search exploit TACM. Let's see if that has anything to do with it. cat50136.py. Let's actually turn up the level then. Arguments HTTP. Contact URL, and then we need a file. So how the hell do we exploit this? So it's wherever you put in a resume. It looks like. So you put in a resume, and then you get. Let's go ahead and look at exploit OpenCats. We got remote code execution and also a doxy XML entity. What's a remote code execution? That'll probably be a little bit easier. Payload doesn't work, try another. Oh, okay. We did have that remote code execution one over here also. Let's go ahead and we need a file to upload on that one. But we'll keep that in the back of our heads for now. Search exploit OpenCats. We also had this one like right here. Let's go ahead and do a search exploit TACM. Let's go ahead and cat that guy. Let's see what happens. Target URL is going to be, we believe, this like right here. Okay, and we got a shell. That was way easier to try to do XML injection, wasn't it? ID, and we're www data. Okay, cool. That was much easier to try to do an SQL injection. Let's go ahead and try to get a full shell of this. Which Python 3. That was pretty easy so far. Cat, scripts, full shell. Let's go ahead and scroll up to Python 3. I think I just broke it. Oh boy. That's okay though, we just get our shell. Okay, I think I broke it with that. That's okay though. Let's go ahead and we'll grab another shell. And let's go ahead and do lstack.la. Let's try to get into that database. Ooh, we have a couple PHP files in here. What are these? Cat that thing, whatever the hell that is. PHP echo system request 0. Why are those in there? Is he trying to do... What if we could like mess with those files and then make it like, because then we can get a better shell on it. I wonder if we can like mess with that file and do something like this guy, like right here. You know, so we could do that, and it would be get rid of that GIF. I don't know why that's there, but couldn't we just like, because we can mess with them, so couldn't we just like echo, or maybe just remove it and then W get another one? So I don't know if the echo is actually going to work for this. I don't know if it's going to be like, you can't do that, you know. Let's go and try to echo that. There's a space in between it. I don't know what's going on with the red, white, and blue up here like right now, but because it was July, is that why? Like close to like July 4th. Echo that into here, nag7y.php, and then can we just go to nag7y.php? It's in www. Where am I? We have no idea. Okay, that was fucking pointless. Try that again. We'll see if we can we're in var OpenCats upload career portal add. So we need to figure out another PHP file. What the fuck? This is everybody just trying to hack the site like right now? Or is that me? Whenever I send that up, that's me, isn't it? I'm sitting here like, what? So if we're getting that call back from there, that means that we can get to that site, which means that we should technically be able to put in something like this. That's allowing us to go here. Where was I at now? Upload, OpenCats upload career portal add. And we were nag7y.p. Can I go to /uploads? Because it's not even asking for like a username or anything like that, right? So /uploads or upload career portal add. Upload /career portal add. Can I go there? Career portal add. What if I need to go to OpenCats first? /OpenCats. OpenCats upload career portal add. C-A-R-E-R. I think I spelled career wrong. C-A-R. I did. I spelled career wrong. That's why I'm in the Marine Corps. Career portal add. C-A-R-E-R portal add. Let's just try to put in that file. Question mark. Command equals ID. Something like that. Okay, so it won't take that. But I wonder if it'll do something like, say we're at var www. So I wonder if we just need to be at, instead of there, I wonder if we just need to be, instead of at job, like right here. Oh, what the fuck? That's not where I want to go. Let's go to empline.thm again. Yes, take me just to regular empline.thm. Thank you very much. And let's go ahead and do a, throw in the rest of this. Damn. We can't move anywhere once we get here. That's the problem, like right now. But what if we just upload something into there? Because we're obviously getting to here, right? Obviously getting there. That's in var www opencats upload career portal ad. So I feel like it's not in job. I feel like it's just in this regular one, like right here. That's weird. How am I getting there? What's up? How am I getting it there, but I can't get to the PHP file, which this thing's literally using to upload? That's strange. Okay, let's try to do, what was it again? It was job. That's very, 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 very strange. In var www, not. So that might be a totally different area, huh? Okay, so we can at least get to here, right? We need to. I wonder if we can run files from here. So I wonder if we can do like a shell.elf or something like that, and maybe get a callback. You know, I did just make a shell.elf, didn't I, my last one? Let's go ahead and CD in a poster. That was on port 443, right? So let's go ahead and try to upload shell.elf. It took it. It's in there. We do that. Okay, let's try to exit out of here again. We'll get back into them again because it seems to only like work for so long. Damn. Okay, so we do 777. That'll work too. I mean, I'll take that. Whatever. Let's do a netcat lvmp443. Let's try to run this shell.elf file. See if we get something back over here. No, we do not. Okay. Maybe it's only one command at a time. Let's try exit. We'll hop back into there. And we'll try that one more time. So we're not getting anything on there. We can't move around any direction. Let's see if we can just go straight to a directory. No. Okay. At least we know that one works. Maybe we can find a better one. So that was 50585. And that was 4. Let's go and cat that guy. See what that CVE is again. Pretty sure you got the CVE in here. Yeah, he's definitely uploading those. I wonder if we need to make it. Just like that. Let's try to do that one more time. We'll go into there again. Got an idea. Let's go ahead and nano shell. No. Cat scripts. Yeah. Address bar. Boom. Let's go ahead and grab this again. I wonder if we should actually do something like this. Try that in command.php. No. Okay, so we couldn't do that. Let's try to do it the way I first wanted to. Try to do it like this. No. Okay. So we can't do those two. All right. That's okay. Let's, because we still have other ones that we could try probably. So let's go ahead and see what's up with that search player right there. Let's try this. So this guy right here. Do this as raw. We'll grab him and see if we can do anything with that. Let's go ahead and do a wget. Like right there. And let's try to do a and what was that IP address again? Seems like the same exact one we just did, huh? Yep, it was. Okay. Might be using that XML one. Might be doing that one, huh? Because that looks like the same exact payload we just used. So let's try, I guess, the XML one, and we'll see what's going on with that. He's still looking up there. Let's go ahead and take a look at this Python file like real quick, and we'll see if we can find anything with this. See if we can figure out how to do this guy. Go and grab that. We'll grab that. Let's look for a DOCX. I'll say Java episodes 3 files of underlying XC allows for, let's see here, OpenCats XXE. Okay. Oh, we had OpenCats on here. Oh, there we go. For DOCX SLXS payload, please check out an OpenCats. Okay. So we need something like this. We need to upload files such as this. So internet facing OpenCats, Google Dork, OpenCats. Vulnerability walkthrough for OpenCats. Here we go. Okay. For this demonstration, I created a position titled Pen Tester after clicking on the position, which we actually had all that, didn't we? We just need to go back to finding those jobs because we have someone that's not going to get paid very much. Where did we find that at? We found that at job, right? What was it? Jobs. What was it at? Cat. Let's see, host. It was job.empline.thm, but now it's asking us to log in. I just want to see the jobs. Admin. Reset. Admin password. That's weird, okay. So we did have a job before, but now it's asking us to log in. So how the hell did we get to that job before? We actually did control U. We actually got like this, didn't we? We went to this way, huh? Careers / careers. That's where we went. So we went to Empline job.empline.thm/careers. Then we didn't have to actually log in like that. So we have show all jobs. And we have mobile dev. Okay, so we can apply for that position, right? There we go. All right, cool. We can import our CV. All right, 2,400 euros. Yeah, that's what I said. Like, is that like a week, every 2 weeks, a month, a year? Because it says salary. Then it says 2,400 euros. I'm like, you know, I don't use euros, but that's not very much. I know that. All right, so let's go ahead and let's see how to do this. This feature can be exploited with docx or ODT file. I'll use a docx file for this blog post. Create a docx file with your favorite document editor, Google Docs, or use Python. Guess we could just use Python, huh? Oh, I can't just copy and paste. Fuck, cockbag. Okay. Simple Python script. I know this is basic stuff, but I'm just providing a few different options. Okay. Just unzip up XML files. We need to unzip the resume, the zoom docx file, modify the contents of the Word document XML, and save our changes back to it. Really? You can do that? Okay, let's go ahead and create a simple docx file. Let's go ahead and do that like real quick. So let me drop this down like a little bit. So whoopsie daisy. So we can kind of work off of what that guy has also. Where's that at? Right there. So we're just going to do a sublime. Let's call this res.docx or res.py. This is a Python file. Bam. Bam. Okay, so we're going to do he did it in Python 2, so we'll do it in Python 2. User bin Python. That's what reminds that. From docx, import document. Document equals document paragraph equals document dot add underscore paragraph. G-R-A-P-H. For some reason that look weird to me. Ryan. Document dot save. We're going to call this res.docx. Okay, let's try that. Let's go ahead and save that file, and let's go ahead and try to run that like right there. And then we just want to run a Python res.py. I don't have no module named docx. Let's do a pip install docx. Okay, let's try that again. I just installed it. Fucking cocks. Pip install, I think I do Python 2. Attack docx, is that it? Python 2 pip install. Supposedly you don't. Supposedly there is no module named docx. Okay. Python 3. Just gotta roll in Python 2 though. It's a lot easier just to write it in what he wrote it in. It's right there. Great. I wonder if we could just do a Python. I wonder if it'll correlate to Python 3 also. No, of course not. The module named exceptions. Create a directory Python 2 with the same content. There's already a directory for Python 2. For some reason we can't install, like there's already one in there. We already have a Python 2 directory. At least I should. Last I knew I did. I had Python 2.7 last I knew, but who the fuck knows now? Yeah. So you're saying go into here and then just create the file in there? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to download it for Python 2. Or is it just pip 2? There, pip 2 install. Forgot, pip is now pip 3, huh? Okay, let's try that again. Then what are you installing? This is what I fucking hate. I hate programming. Okay, that's actually better. Cannot import name document. From the import document. Is that why? Because I didn't put capital D's. Like spaces and shit like that matter, don't they? In Python. No, Python is running on Python 2. If I want to run Python 3, it's got to be Python 3 like that. Then it would be... So regular Python, Python's running on Python 2 like that. I never replaced that yet. Can I import name document? Why? Looks like you have installed only docx, but I tried this, it worked for me. Pip uninstall docx, pip install Python docx. Okay, so let's do a pip 2 install. Python docx. There we go. Okay, let's go. Okay. So it created now. Now we have, I made the RSS.txt. Oh no. That guy's still running? Yeah, he is. I need it res.docx. So let's go ahead and do a unzip res.docx, which is super weird to me. And that does actually work. Wow. Okay, that's super weird. All right. So we did that. So from here, at this point, our docx file is not malicious. And if we were to be uploaded, just show my name. Yes. Okay. That makes sense. Now we want to go into the Word document XML and throw in something like XT password, doc type. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Nano Word document XML. And we're just going to throw this in. Yep. Okay. For the second modification, we need to find and change my name, which was the only content that was in the resume. We will swap my name out with and test. Okay. So we're looking for Ryan now. We probably just do a find, right? We gotta do a find. Where is? Control W. Ryan. There it is. Okay, cool. So we want to delete that and switch that out with and test. We are crushing it so far. What's up, Oreo? How you doing? That's it. The modifications to the document.xml need to be saved to my resume again. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, Control X, yes, enter. So we're going to do a zip, right? We re-zipped it, right? Is that what he just did? Yeah, he did zip. And then he res.docx, and we are going to put in Word document XML. Okay. Looks good. Exactly what I thought it looked like. I just want to see what strings looks like. Okay, so now we need to upload that. And hopefully we see an Etsy password, right? Browse. Home. I'm doing good. Why are you tired and sad, dude? That's not good. Like, that's never good. Why are you tired and sad? I can stop recording if you want. Let's do try hack me, right? Did you try to do what was it? Persisting AD? He became sad because I did that one yesterday and I became very sad doing it. And we have res. Oh, is it in the Word document right here? Where's my thing at? Oh, res.docx. There we go. So there's my resume. We upload that. And it sure as hell drops out Etsy password. Wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, don't do it. Just don't. Oreo, if you want to get sad, do that. Well, what's wrong, man? What's going on? I can kick everyone out of the room. I'll ban everybody in this room. We'll ban them all. Anyone that new that comes in, we'll just fucking ban them. People are more important. You guys are going to unban. That's so long, but yeah, people are more important than anything else. All right. Now, on that note, the air conditioner just kicked on, which reminded me that it's fucking freezing on the back of my neck. So I'm going to go grab a sweatshirt real quick, and I will be like right back. Talk to, just, hit me up. You know how to in private chat, stuff like that. Just hit me up, man. If you need someone to talk to. Shit, you can call. You can call on Discord. I'll mute the mic on this thing. Alright. So we got the Etsy password just dropped, right? Does actually look like we have a user George. So we know that. So I'm wondering if we can maybe drop his ID RSA, or if we can drop the config.php file, or you know, what we can drop here. That's what I'm trying to figure out now, is what we can actually drop. So I say we go for home George ID RSA first. Let's try that first. See if we can get his SSH private key. So let's go ahead and hop back into our file here, right? Not that one. We want to do a quick... we want to unzip that again, right? Yes, replace it all. All. Okay, let's go ahead and do a nano word/document again. And let's go ahead and try to get someone's RSA key. So that would be my next idea, was maybe to go there, or maybe we try to look at the config.php. Watch you work on box. All right, sounds good. All right, maybe we try to get, I'm thinking the config.php, because then we should drop, because we got 3306 open, right? So we should be able to drop the database as long as we get that config.php. But to be able to drop the config.php, we need to convert that to a base 64 and then drop it out like that. It's not just going to drop config.php. We need to convert it first, right? So to do that, we need to do a system. Let me see here. Convert XML drop XXE to get config.php base 64. Let's see if we can do something like this. Okay, so we got the XE password. Remote code execution. Unfortunately, on our side, the PHP expect module is loaded. We can get RCE. Really now? Let's just throw that into there then. We want all of this, like right here, right? Let's try to do that first. Let's just try to get RCE on it then, because that would be way better. That would be like so cool. Okay. Element foo any entity XXE. Okay, let's try to do that first. Let's go ahead and zip up that guy. Zip up yep, to that. Okay, and let's go ahead and throw that back into here. Back into this guy. Browse, and we'll throw that res in there again. Really wish it would have just stayed like where we were. It probably did, but I'm clicking too much. Yeah, this is, there's some guy, I forgot who it was. Zero Byte might know who it is, but there's some guy that like he makes a living off of XXE. Like he does what is it, the bounties and stuff like that, and he makes a living off of just XXE. Okay, so let's go with try hack me, Empline, and we'll try to throw in that one, res.docx, and let's go ahead and upload that guy. Okay, so nothing came back down. Okay, so we didn't get anything with that, so we don't have any type of remote code execution like that, right? That's okay. We're still going after this guy also. That's okay. We can still do more than just that, right? We can, I want to drop that config file. This right here. This is what I want. Is system, this whole thing. The system PHP blah, 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 encode. I don't know if it's going to be resource file, but we don't need it to encode into. We're not going to do that exact one. But this is the idea that I was talking about, like right here. So let's go ahead and do a unzip res again. Nano that Word document again. Let's go ahead and get rid of all this. Or can I control Z? No. Okay. Let's go ahead and get rid of this, like right here. Want to throw that in there, right? That was not the whole thing I want to throw in there. I want to throw much more than that. Can I control Z now? Okay, control X. No, don't save that. Let me go ahead and go into, let's open up Sublime Text. Okay. So we want this doc type to change out to pretty much that, I believe. It's not going to be that exact thing. We just got to play around with that guy like right there and see exactly how we want it. So we want doc type change to whatever the fuck name we want to make it, right? Okay, we'll just do whatever we want to make it, okay? From there, we have to entity test, right? Because we call it doc type test. So it's got to be entity test to the system, and then it should be PHP, right? PHP, and then we want to get the resource of config.php. I don't need any of that other stuff in there. Config.php, oh, whoops. Config.php, right? And then from here, but to close out those brackets, then we should be able to delete all of this. Go ahead and save that, and we'll throw it at it, and we'll just see. I don't think that's going to work, but we're going to try it. Zip res.docx into Word document. Okay, and let's go ahead and throw it back up into there, and let's see what happens here. All right, browse this guy. I think I got too excited last time, so I'm just going to let him go this time. Okay, res.docx, and let's upload that and see if we get anything down here. Damn! Okay, we do not. Alright, that's still okay. That is still okay. Doc type, test, entity test, system, PHP filter, /read, convert base64, config.php. We need that config.php file because we have the 3306's point at us, right? Does he actually go like that? Maybe. I know spaces do matter. Alright, we need that config.php file because we know for a fact that the guy's going to, oh my god. It should be like that. Doc type test, entity, test, system, PHP. Going back to that guy, doc type test, entity test. We need the frickin' this guy should be like that. I'll say he should be a different color. That's how I know stuff. Stuff should be in different colors. Yeah. So, because that one goes to that one goes to that one, brackets together. All right, let's try that. Let's go ahead and save that, and let's see if we can fire that off. Zip that guy back to him. I didn't unzip him again, but that should be okay because I just did it. I think that should be okay. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's go! All right, so we got a base 64 now. I need to update my notes on that one. Echo, that guy. That's going to take a minute. Doctora, we have proved you wrong 10 seconds ago. No, I was kidding. Oh, God. Let's just close the brackets off, hit enter. I should have just thrown that into CyberChef, huh? Let's go throw that into CyberChef. CyberChef. My terminal's like, I don't know what that means, dude. Output, okay. Okay, so we have James and then this as the password. So we now have a user pass.txt. Look at that. Okay. Clear that. And let me go ahead and do a user pass.txt. Echo James. That's to a user pass.txt. And then let me go ahead and make that, put that guy into my notes like real quick, because that was a lot of fun. So the very first thing that we did was to look up Etsy password. Which in real life that should be good enough. Which we didn't even use that like right there. We actually used this guy like right here, right? No, because we didn't have to do the and test because I already did that the first time, Doctora. So my name was already and test on there the first time. That's why. In case you're like, you have to do that. No, that's because my name was already that for the first. That's why I picked test again for the doc type and entity, or for the doc type, because we already did test and I already put my name as and test. All right. Actually, I should just frickin' do this like right here. Do the blow. There. There's that. And then we did this to dump config.php. Okay, cool. So let's now get into that database, right? So we got MySQL, tech H, and we have their database like right here. Let's go ahead and hop into here, copy that, and then hopefully I deployed the machine. We already completed one of the things. All right, so hopefully we can get into this guy with attack U, James, and hopefully drop some more stuff. Attack P, and hopefully we also have some password reuse. There's a lot of hopefullys here. Or maybe we just need to maybe we do James that password like right there, and we need to put that into like that login field that we found. So go ahead and do a show databases. Use OpenCats. Don't really want that. Show tables. Select star from user. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we do have some users here. We got a George, it looks like. James. Cat's at root admin. He cannot log in. So we have a George and a James. Let's go and grab those two. Let's go ahead and do a nano hash.text. And we'll do George. And then we'll do James. Which James we should already have. John hash.text 4 See if you can figure anything out here. It's probably a raw MD5, right? That's all I think. Just go ahead and throw that into here and find out. Okay. Well, we know we're on the right track. Okay. So we got that, right? I'm going to go with it's most likely a raw MD5 file, but I don't know. Let's keep looking around stuff. Show tables again. Select star from user login. Okay, let's just show them how they're logging in. Okay. What else do we got here? What do we have? Access level, activity, attachments, calendar candidate, candidate tag, company, email history. That might tell us something. Might be able to look in there. History. So we got email history, history. Those are two I definitely want to look into, like right there. Oh, hey, give me like 5 minutes. Child just fell off his bike. He's like outside crying. So give me a minute. Alright, Everyone's okay. So, hate to see it. One of the kids that live down the street. There's like a super slippery part because like the ground like comes and like the sidewalk goes down like a little bit. So the water just spools up there. So whenever it gets dry, it gets super slippery like right there. And like every kid knows about it on the street. And there's a kid that's moved in down the street. He learned about it, but he's all right. System, zip codes. That's what they want to look at. Okay, well, I look at history and email, right? That's what I was talking about. Email history. We had history. We have email history. We have. Is that it so far? Those are the ones I want to look at so far. We could just dump this whole damn thing and just good luck. Let's go ahead. Let's do just email history and history at first. It was email history, right? Damn kids make me forget what I want. No, I was kidding. Select star from email history. Okay, select star from history. Whoopsie daisy. Whoopsie daisy. Well, whoopsie daisy. Show databases. Use OpenCats. Then we'll do a select star from history. Let's try to do that John again. This time we're going to do a TexAC format equals raw MD5. Oh, we get it. Okay, cool. We got a password that time. I wonder if we can log in with him. Let's go ahead and do a SSH because we did have SSH open, right? George at that, like right there. Let's see if we can log in. It's not George at that, but let's go ahead and throw that into user password. Cat or echo George into user pass.txt. We still haven't even tried to log in with the other dude. See if he can SSH in yet. But let's go ahead and try George. Hydrate. Shit. I got you, Pimp. Super hydrated now. I'm beyond hydrated, Javelin. Beyond hydrated. Alright. So, let's, oh shit, ascertainment. Hey, you want a sword? I've been handing out swords lately. Here. Give me a second. I don't know how to, I don't remember how to do this. Ha! You have a sword now, ascertainment. Javelin, you want a sword? You can have a sword too. Everyone gets a sword. Forgot about that. Alright. Let's show tables. Alright. Select star from history, right? Select star from history. I want to do that also. See if we see anybody in here. Okay, so nothing in there. Let's try to SSH in with George at the IP address, even though, see if anyone did any password reuse. We'll actually try both those guys. Let's see if anybody did any type of password reuse. Yes. Let's try to do that. Ooh, George is jacked up, yo. Yeah, you guys got swords now. I don't know what you can do with them, but I know you can like mess people up and stuff like that. So, but yeah, you guys got swords. I've just been handing them out lately. Like, hey, who wants a sword? Cat user.text. Alright, so we got that. Cool. So, George did password. I wonder if the other one did too. I wonder if we ever had to do all that database bullshit. Well, we did have to at least get his password and everything like that. The database was open. Let's go ahead and exit out here. Let's see if the other guy, because I didn't even test it. That's obviously something you should probably test. Let's go ahead and cat user pass.text again. Let's try to... Wait. Where'd my other one go? That's not the only person that echoed in here, is it? Echoed... Or did I overwrite it by accident? I think I overwrote it by accident, didn't I? I'm an asshole. And so I don't have one of the other passwords. Whoopsie daisy. Let's see if James can get in. If James can get in, I'm still going to move over to George because it's obviously a reason that there's more than one person on this box. But I just kind of want to see if he can get in also. Okay, so James cannot get in. So we had to crack George. George's password like that. Okay. Cool. Thank God. Because I was like, man, if he can get in and I just did all that for nothing because I wasn't, you know, actually doing this how I should be, I would have been mad. Oh, you can give bad people the ban. Yo, I've been banned from Black Sheep Spicy's channel, I think, 2 or 3 times now, and I've been timed out like 10 times. Every once in a while I go in there, I just drop like a fake root.txt just to get his mod, his Mindfur, yeah, just to get him to ban me. And then he'll let me back in like a minute later. But then usually it doesn't work. Like he'll unban me, but it takes Twitch time, so it takes like 20 minutes to finally get back in. Usually I'm timed out that time too, so. I had the best ban history with that one. Let's go into CD into. So we also had that VAR. Remember that VAR one that we had? I want to kind of check that out. Let's do a sudo tech out first. Do have his password. Okay. So let's do a. Let's get out of here. Let's do a cat Etsy password. See if there's anyone else on here that we could possibly find in here. There's George. I should know from the beginning because we did an Etsy password at the beginning. Okay, so just George, Ubuntu, and root. They're actually allowed to log into here. Okay, cool. Go ahead and exit out of here. Exit out of there. That guy's still running. We'll let him run. We'll let the SQL map continue to run, see if it finds anything. Let's go ahead and do a cat scripts SUID lookup. Let's go ahead and look up in SUID bits. See if we have anything here. Not seeing anything right there. Let's go ahead and CD into VAR backups. Cat, Etsy, cron tabs. Nothing in cron tabs. Okay. Let's go into that. What was it? It was VAR op? No, it was VAR op ww. No, what was it? It was op VAR op ww. Oh, that site we kept trying to upload to? Was that on this one or was that the last one? Yeah, I want to see. Okay, let's go ahead and do. I want to get back into there. So let's do /505 or bash. Did I do a bash? 505 85.sh. Then we did the URL. Then we did. I want to see what's going on in there. Job.templine.thm, right? var ww. CD into var ww. Open cats. See if we can see anything in here. We are config.php, which we already dropped, right? Are we in a Docker? I think it was just running a Docker, that's all. If we ever upload, let's see if all my files are in there. Let's see why I couldn't find my upload last time. Okay, maybe I probably had to be logged in to actually look at that stuff. You should check capabilities. Think so? We should check it. We can check capabilities. We can do that. We can run that same script actually and get capabilities. Well, bam. Oh, have you done this box before? Do you have one? Have you done this box, or are you just throwing out? Or are you just saying you should always do that? I feel like you've done this box. All right, so we got. Okay, so we got a couple of capabilities here that we can do. We could probably look them up. What is it? MTR packet, I think, is one of them, right? Let's head over to GTFO bins. MTR. Okay, no, let's do Ruby. Ruby, we have the capability to do Ruby capabilities. So capability, copy which root. If the binary has Linux cap set UID capability set, I mean we have cap-chown. Does that count? Let's try to look up Ruby cap-chown privesc. Capability set or is executed by another binary with the capability set can be used as a backdoor to maintain privileged access by manipulating its own process ID. We just run that like right there. Not really done capabilities. I think I've always seen it once before. Try my best. Oh, it's in your methodology. I figured you just did the box. You're like, yeah, check this. Alright, so obviously it's something to do with that, right? So now he's got to figure out what to do with this cap-chown, because this guy is for cap set UID, right? So now he's got to figure out what the hell to do with cap-chown now, which I'm sure we can figure that out. I'm sure we can figure out something to do with cap-chown. Okay. No. Never mind. I got excited for a second there. What can we do with cap-chown? Arbitrary change files, UID, and GIDs. Full system access. Okay, let's see what this is going on. Like right here. Access. Do these guys have cap-chown on here? I wonder. No. Okay. Do we just have to add the rest of it in there? Like, do we just have to run that whole thing instead of just... Do we just have to run, like, Ruby that or something? I've never really done anything with capabilities before. We're in the right place. So it allows us to arbitrarily write files, right? Or two files, right? So couldn't we technically just use Ruby? Just make a Ruby file and then just go from there? figure out how the hell to write a Ruby file. I've done Ruby before. It's almost confused the error around my entire life, like right there. Okay. This guy have Ruby in it? See, he's running interactive Ruby, but I'm not really seeing where he's running interactive Ruby at. Okay. So we want to write a Ruby file. Yeah, that has Ruby, but I don't think it has it for... So if we do Ruby, right? GTFO bins Ruby. I think we need to write an actual Ruby file. I mean, it has its capability, but we just can't do that like right there. That's the problem. Is we have to actually write a Ruby file, I believe, using Ruby Tech E. And then I don't think we just write down... I don't think we just do... Because we don't have set UID, obviously, right? But we do have chown, right? So I'm thinking that we can just make it so Ruby can write to that, correct? So we could do something like Ruby Tech E, right? And we're not going to do process. We're going to do a file, right? Because we want to look at something like, what is it? Something like Etsy Shadow. Right? So we'll do a file chown. And then we want to do it for Etsy password. That's what I can think of, is do it for Etsy password. Or for Etsy Shadow or something like that. If we do that. Okay. So then like that, like right there. That's okay. We're getting somewhere. File chown. Just a little boom and then boom. Okay. Expecting end of input. Or even Etsy password. I don't care which one. The file, you can pass the path of the change ownership, for example. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, but let's try with Etsy password first. Root. I'm wondering, do we have to We have to bring it back to our ID. Or our group. Because it's challenge used to allow that group to make a change, right? No, that doesn't work because we don't have the set UI. If we had Ruby set UID, that would work. We have Ruby challenge. But challenge used to, it's for a group, correct? It's for GID and groups. So couldn't we do something like this? For Etsy Shadow? Or even for Etsy Password? I don't care which one, just one of those two. Because it's used for groups. Okay, so it didn't like right where we put that parentheses like right there. But it's used for that. So now we just got to figure out what it actually likes. And I'm thinking... Come on now. I'm spelling that right, aren't I? C-H-O-W-N? C-H-O-W-N. Okay. Yeah, you'd have to add the SUID of root, which is 0. But what the problem is that we can't mess with SUID bits with the Ruby thing that we have. So if we go to capabilities, right, our capabilities here, right, we can't touch SUID bits with that because all we have is chown, which chown, though, messes with the groups. So now we have to do is actually look at our group and allow for Etsy Shadow to be messed with by the group itself. So we have to do something like... You fucker, I know you can do this. Does there have to be a space between those? Ah, I thought that was going to work. You think it's cap? Shouldn't be. Should just be just chown. / Etsy Shadow. I wonder if I just can't. Syntax error. Expected. Oh, no shit. This is why. It's telling me what's wrong. Nope, maybe not. Okay. Expecting end of input. Expecting a comma. Expected comma. End of input. I don't. Comma where? Though. Go to input. That guy. Is it not colon? File.chown. Thank you. Yeah, it's not colon. File.chown. No shit. Okay. So, now we should technically be able to mess with Etsy Shadow. And we can. Because Etsy Shadow now belongs to our group. So now, we should technically be able to change out the root's password. Right? Can we just put it wherever we want? Shit, how do we do this again? This is like OpenSSL or something like that? I think I got my scripts. So change password shadow.txt. Look at that. This is to put password. That's for password, like right there. So we might just be able to do that one. And we should be able to now change out the root's password and just SU into root. I'm thinking. If not, then we just broke it, and you know, I mean, it happens. You know what I'm saying? That's sometimes just what happens. And that's for password. Let's go! CD to root. Cat that root.txt. Awesome. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and throw that into here. I want to put that in my notes because I've never done that with Ruby before. Or just delete the root password. Yeah, you could do that too. Then they won't notice. Then they'll notice though, because they're not going to notice that the root's password all of a sudden just changed out of nowhere. This guy's still going. All right, awesome. I kind of want to throw that one into my notes, like right there. Ruby capability with chow. I'll probably never do that again, but still. Bam, 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 bam. All right, that was a fun one. That was pretty cool. I like that prevest. That prevest was pretty cool.